You will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast cubed into bite-sized pieces. Add the cubed chicken to a large pot. Normally you add carrot, celery, and the optional peas, but I was out of celery, so I'm doubling up on the carrot, which you're going to want a half cup of each vegetable, as well as 2 small potatoes, finely cubed. Add those to the large pot along with the chicken. Cover everything with water and bring to a boil over high heat. Next, you're going to finely chop a 1/3 cup of onion. Add it to a medium pot along with a 1/3 cup of butter. Cook the onions in the butter over medium heat until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, give your chicken mixture a good stir and turn the heat down to medium. To the butter, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and 1/3 cup flour. Cook for 1 minute, then slowly whisk in 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Whisk it in a little bit at a time until smooth and reduce the heat to medium-low. Whisk in 2/3 cup of milk until smooth and remove from the heat. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Your chicken should be cooked now, so you can strain it. To a large bowl, add 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix it up. Using 1/3 cup cold butter, cut it into small cubes and mix it into the flour mixture with your hands until it resembles the size of peas. Gently mix in 3/4 cup of milk and mix until just combined. Add your chicken mixture to your sauce and stir until well coated. Pour into either an 11 by 7 or 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Using floured hands, roll out your biscuit dough until it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. It's okay if you see chunks of butter. That actually makes it more flaky. Cut it into 12 squares and place those squares on top of your chicken mixture, leaving a gap in between each biscuit so that it can rise. Bake at 425 degrees for 25 minutes or until the biscuits are golden.